Welcome to our video on optimizing lung health through effective home remedies. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining healthy lungs is essential for overall well-being. Let's explore some natural remedies to support respiratory health. Number 1. Deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing helps to strengthen the lungs, increase oxygen flow, and clear out toxins. Practice deep breathing exercises for at least 10 minutes daily for optimal results. Number 2. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam helps to open up the airways, reduce congestion, and soothe irritation. Add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint oil to enhance its effectiveness. Number 3. Herbal teas. Certain herbs like ginger, turmeric, and licorice have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve lung function. Enjoy a warm cup of herbal tea daily to reap the benefits. Number 4. Salt therapy. Salt inhalation therapy, also known as halotherapy, helps to reduce inflammation, clear mucus, and improve respiratory function. Consider using a salt inhaler or visiting a salt cave for treatment. Number 5. Essential oil diffusion. Diffusing essential oils like lavender, tea tree, or eucalyptus can help purify the air, reduce respiratory discomfort, and promote relaxation. Use a diffuser in your home regularly for lung health support. Remember, incorporating these home remedies into your daily routine can significantly contribute to the health and vitality of your lungs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and take care of your respiratory system, and it will take care of you. Thank you for watching.